It had to be done. The part has been moulded, and due to it being moulded and the original not being that strong, it ended up being crushed, RIP, and snapped in half. So yeah, so now that part's almost useless, and now I have a really awesome mold. So I decided to go with the matrix mold for this, which is fairly new to me since this is the first time ever doing a matrix mold. Worked out pretty awesomely. The detail is like there are no air bubbles, and I am extremely happy with that. But as you can see, some of the primer from the main part is still sticking to the silicone, so I've got to get that off, or when I cast it, it should come off with it. So extremely happy with it, all the details there, and yeah, I cannot wait. Let me switch to manual focus. Yep, and I cannot wait for it to be finished. So it's going to be awesome. All the detail is captured there, as you can see, which is awesome. Yeah, and there's like no air bubble, so I'm very surprised, especially with those bits and this little overhang under here. But I decided to go with Mold Star 15 and Rebound. Rebound was the first print layer which actually got all the detail, and to make sure there were no air bubbles, and then I poured Mold Star 15 on top. I didn't want to use dragon skin because it's a lot more firmer silicone rubber, as well as you need to vacuum degas it to achieve no air bubbles. So but with Mold Star and Rebound you don't really need to. So as well as Mold Star, it's very soft. So this part here actually overhangs at the top. So if I were to remove a cast from this part would be, well, silicone would be stuck into the part. But since it's a very soft silicone, it peels out with no problem, as demonstrated with the, well, main part that is now in half. Little detail bit that goes up there, and I was surprised that there's no warping on that, I guess because it's like almost literally an inch thick. Like that whole part's just, it's a thick mold, way thicker than what I should have done, but I'm extremely happy with it. It's very durable and it will last me for a lot of casts. So I'm going to get to casting this, and I'll be back to show you more, I guess.